Hi, my name is Adam Haverla, and welcome to our very first Flowers What's Next for 2025. I do not know where 2024 went, but we are now starting a brand new year. We're going to take some fabric inside of a vase to create a custom vessel with our bouquet and say goodbye to the holidays and hello to the new year. Let's start by getting our vessels all together and create this custom moment for your home. During the holidays, I was at my friend's house and she's a crafter, so she had this fabric and I thought, we need to do something with this. So what we have is fabric, a skewer, and two vases, one that will fit inside of the other. It's okay that this is a little bit taller, it does not have to be perfect. But all we want to do is create this fabric moment within the vase. So we're going to take our fabric, just push it over the top, and then we're going to take our other vase and just push it down. So there's two ways of doing this. We could go in and stuff tissue on the inside so this is perfectly smooth, although I think it's going to drive you a little crazy. So let's do this whole gathered look that I love so much. So all I'm going to do is push the fabric into the vase. It does not have to be perfect. We just really want to have that fabric moment. We want to have that custom moment. When I think of this idea, I think, how great would this be if you had extra pillowcase or linen for a guest bedroom and you create this vase that matches the bed? How beautiful would that be? So you're just going to go in and push this down, separate it, really use your skewer to push it through. If you don't have a skewer, you can use a flower stem. Pretty much whatever you want to do, we just want to get this pushed in as far as we can. And look how pretty that looks. It creates this whole gathered, crumpled fabric moment. Once you have it pretty much where you want it, and if it's not fabric that you have to keep, you can go through and you can cut this off at the top and just discard it. But this is a unique way to create a custom moment in your home. Imagine if you had fabric the same color as bridesmaids' dresses and you did this kind of feel for the shower and you carried that color through. Stunning. So again, I like the crumpled look. I like it a little bit messy. That's my kind of vibe. We're going to add water just to the inside vase. And I've already mixed in our preservative, so we just added it to the vase, and now we're ready for the flowers. Now that we have our gorgeous yellow and orange bouquet out, it is so much different than what we've been in with the holidays, so I'm very grateful for color. We're going to create our design. This is going to be a very fresh from the garden type of design. Wildflowers, put your daisies in first. Give yourself different heights. And if there's a little bloom that needs to go away, that's okay. We could just cut that off. Not everything is perfect. Our gorgeous sunflower, I want this to be the focal, so I'm going to put this down towards the bottom. And let's add in our beautiful sandy color palms. You see how the color from the fabric is now radiating through our bouquet? This would be absolutely perfect again for any kind of event. Imagine a bridal shower, or a baby shower, anything. You can put these different fabrics in the vase and it'll just add that moment of happiness to everything. I'm going to go ahead and spread my orange mini carnations through, making sure that the orange is put all the way through the design. We have our orange carnations, and then we have our orange minis. And let's add our spray roses. These are absolutely beautiful. We're going to put these up towards the front. Cleaning off the table. Have a beautiful little moment. And now we have our phenomenal orange roses. I'm gonna put one in the front. Another one off to the side. And another one up here. Because we don't have foliage in this bouquet, we really went flower heavy, and you can see the edges here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this up and curl it around. You see how by curling it around, we create that collar? Because the vase is taller in the middle, so we just wanna just pop this up and just give it a nice curl, because then it just looks like gathered fabric holding up this beautiful bouquet. What do you think? Very cool, right? It's those little tips and tricks that make a big difference. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great start to 2025. We have lots of fabulous projects coming your way. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next month.